Number 14. Consider that lines A and B are parallel. Which alternate exterior angle equals 62 degrees? All right, so first I'm going to mark, it said that A is parallel to B, so I'm going to go ahead and mark those. And we're trying to figure out the alternate exterior angle. Remember, alternate means opposite sides of the transversal, and exterior means outside the parallel lines. So we have 62, and we want the alternate exterior angle to 62. Well, first of all, just by looking at angle 62, I automatically know that I am dealing with this transversal, because that's the one that 62 is with. So I want to find the one that's on the opposite side of the green transversal outside of the parallel lines. So if I follow this green transversal down, I want the opposite side outside the parallel lines, which is going to end up over here at angle 7. Now you could also just use elimination. Or if you started with angle 12, 12 and 62 aren't even using the same transversal, but they're also on the same side, so that wouldn't work. Angle 2 is way up here. It's not even using both parallel lines, so that's not going to work. And then angle 8 is on the same side of the transversal, so that's not going to work.